So here we are at the bus station in Santiago. We're now going to Valparaiso. They're actually really nice buses. They can recline back. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get there?
2 hours.
About 2 hours to get there. Should be a great trip. Valparaiso, a colorful coastal city in central Chile, is about 120 kilometers northwest of Santiago. The journey by local bus takes about 1.5 to 2 hours and costs about $7 to $10.
Here we are at the Valparaiso bus station waiting for our Uber ride.
And these strange people show up at the location. Yes, we took the bus in from Santiago to Valparaiso. Now we're going to take the Uber to our hotel.
Nice.
Apparently it's up a back alley, a ways up.
Oh, okay. Well, it's going to be an interesting hotel then.
Casa Vander Hotel Boutique. Located in Valparaiso's Cerro Alegre district, this historic mansion offers elegant rooms with sea views.
We are in the Casa Vander Boutique Hotel in Valparaiso, Chile. It is this tiny little hotel with a spiral staircase that I can't imagine going up and down on.
And it's pretty cool too because wait for the light to adjust here, but this is one of the most iconic views of Valparaiso. Just an amazing place. Now, that being said, there's a little bit of a struggle trying to get with our Uber, and we were downtown, and we had to be a little cautious near the bus station there because there's definitely a lot of pickpockets. Somebody tried to grab my phone, and unfortunately, they did not get it.
Casa Vander Hotel Boutique is located 2.1 kilometers from the bus station. As I mentioned, you should watch out for pickpockets, but overall, Valparaiso is very safe. Something we really enjoyed in Valparaiso were the free walking tours. These are led by knowledgeable local guides. They last for about 2 to 3 hours, and it's a tip-based system. We really enjoyed this. Valparaiso is a vibrant city. It is an open-air gallery with stunning murals transforming its streets into a kaleidoscope of color and creativity. From bold political statements to whimsical depictions of local life, the art here is more than decoration. It's a reflection of Valparaiso's soul and resilience. One thing we really got a kick out of was all the dogs in the area. They were a little suspicious of it first, but after a while they actually followed us around on the art walks and even started to look after us. Walk through the districts of Cerro Alegre or Cerro Concepcion and you'll find breathtaking pieces on every corner. Each brushstroke invites you to pause, reflect, and connect with the spirit of this historic port city. In Valparaiso, art isn't confined to galleries. It's alive, thriving, and impossible to ignore. This is a city where creativity knows no bounds.
Art, art everywhere. My eye does not know where to stop and gaze. Every possible space is taken up with art down here. No matter which way I look, there's art. I can't get enough of it. Look, there's my art. They're so cute. I love this.
Yes, ready.
We are at La Concepcion Restaurant in Valparaiso and about to unearth our food.
Excellent.
Look at this. Wow.
Ooh, look at that.
That's amazing.
That
Look
is
at that.
amazing.
This
Oh my
is
God.
Amazing.
fantastic.
One of the best things about Valparaiso was simply wandering the streets, immersing ourselves in the art, savoring an espresso, and slowing down to enjoy the moment. We loved it. perpendicular. Side by side. Oh, no, they're going down. They're going down. They're going down. Yeah. You can see it now. And there they go, down to the bottom. This does save you a lot of time, though.
This will save hours.
This was definitely our best dining experience in Valparaiso. Fauna Restaurant. We give it our highest recommendation. It was a combination of great food, atmosphere, and wonderful people.
This is the exception of this.
Hola. ¿Cómo your food is very, very nice. I want to take a video because
Excellent.
it's so good.
Wonderful.
That was an excellent meal. It was incredible. This is probably one of the best restaurants in Valparaiso. I mean, the scene that you see from there, we had the best table in the house overlooking the water. It was just incredible. The food we had, I had the local fish from Chile, amazing. They had a green olive oil sauce on there. It was actually, the olive oil was marinated in green olives, which made this incredible cream-like green color.
Almost the same color as your jacket.
Yes, indeed. Not to mention they grow their own herbs here. I mean, this place is incredible.
Absolutely, it's amazing food. I had the not pesto, what is it called? Risotto. I had the risotto.
The risotto, yeah.
And that was unbelievable. It was huge, as you can see, because Brian is holding the rest of it. That'll be my breakfast tomorrow.
Right.
It is sunset in Valparaiso right now. We just finished a fabulous dinner at Fauna Restaurant. I think it's some of the best food we've ever had. And look at the light right now. Isn't it gorgeous?
Till next time, Valparaiso, we absolutely loved our trip and would return in a heartbeat if given the chance.